Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have a Toyota Tundra, you are absolutely going to snap this antenna off right inside there. So anyway, what you do is you get yourself a left-handed drill bit set up in your drill, and then basically you start drilling into it. As you're drilling, it'll kind of actually start working its way out, and then you'll have enough to grab a little nub on. This is sharp, so probably wear gloves. My hands are so calloused, it really don't matter. So that's your little nub, and then you put your antenna in, and your stubby antenna. And that looks like it's loose from the get-go. Put that in my pocket. And I'll put these links online where you can get all this stuff. But so let's get that nice and tight in there. And then screw that down like so. And there you go. There's your new antenna. Anyway, Brian at Garage Mahal, that's your quick 5-minute repair on your Toyota Tundra antenna. And other than that, be safe out there, guys. And that's your left-handed drill bit set. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribing.